Here we've got a 1995 25-foot 1020 grain table. Just going to show you the underneath. The poly in general is pretty decent. There are a few pieces missing here and there, but in general it's decent. He used this head last year and then he got a new combine. I think this piece right here, I think he replaced this in this pipe reel, and it needs fingers right here in the center, okay? The bushings are showing a little wear. You can see the auger up through there, but I'm going to leave it up there for a minute, then I'll back out and show you the other end of it. Decent 25-foot head, 1995 model. He replaced the middle. He got rid of the feeder fingers, I call them, and he stuck the extra fan section in there so it would feed. Other than that, you know, I think the fan looks okay. Like I say, the poly underneath is decent. The fingers that are on there are good. It's got the end points there behind the auger. I'll set it down and unhook it so we can see a little better. It is a double drive. It is missing the inspection plate right here, and I'm not sure why, but anyway, he probably took it off, take the fingers out, and never put it back on. We do not have it with it. But you can see he put that piece on there that helps it feed without those. And this head is just an average head, I guess, looking at it. And it does have hydraulic fore and aft on it. Got the light kit. Shields are in place. There's the gearbox. Get a picture of it. Everything seems to be good on that. It's turning sickle and everything. So I think he used it at the end of last season, but like I say, he got a different combine and traded these heads in on a tractor deal. So you're going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction.